I'm Lindsay Adler and I am a portrait and fashion photographer based in New York. Now today is the fashion event with Adorama and we're actually at Surrett Studios and the event is amazing. Truly, I cannot wait for you guys to see. In my setup, I am covering avant-garde fashion photography. And so the idea is, what can you add that is unusual or experimental to your photography to make it stand out and to make it interesting? I think one of the things that's really special about this event is that the students have time to ask me whatever questions are relevant and useful to them. Maybe it's how to use a particular piece of gear that they have. Maybe it's about next steps for them in their career. And so I can cater my time specifically to helping someone move forward in the next step of their photography.
Hi, my name is Teague. I am portrait and fashion photographer based in Brooklyn, New York. For my class, I am teaching beauty, so I'm going over everything from lighting to styling to how I use Capture One to framing. Really anything that I can teach, I am trying to get to my students right now. It's really exciting to actually have a workshop in person again. I think it makes a massive difference to be able to work with students and talk with them and find out what they're interested in, what they're struggling with. It makes it a lot easier to help.
Hello, this is Brandon Remler from Fujifilm. We're excited to be here today with Adorama to show off our full line of gear. We've got everything from the popular X series to the amazing GFX medium format camera, the new Instax Link wide printer, which is fantastic, and even one of our high-end binoculars, part of our Fujinon binocular line. So come on by, check us out. Hope you have a great time, and everything is at Adorama.
Hi, I'm Brandon from Tiffin Filters. We're excited to be here with Adorama at their fashion photography workshop today. We've brought a variety of our products and filters, including black pro mists and glimmer glass diffusion filters, to show everybody how they can use them in portrait and fashion work to enhance their images. All of these filters are available at adorama.com, so go check them out.
So my experience today was very insightful. I learned not only about all the different lighting setups, but that it doesn't have to be as scary or intricate as people may think. And so it was really like humanizing to see that everyone kind of learns their own style, their own way, and just, yeah, everyone has their own path.
Yeah, it was great. It was a really good, very fast-paced environment, but learned a lot in a very short amount of time, so it was awesome.
Hi, I'm Cliff Housen with Profoto here at Surrett Studios in Brooklyn. We're here for a fashion workshop, and we brought some amazing gear with us for all the different photographer setups. We have 3 different photographers shooting with Profoto today, and they're shooting with everything from a D2, which is a plug-in unit, all controlled by a remote on the top of the camera, as well as a B10 and B10X. You can find all the Profoto gear at Adorama. They carry pretty much everything that we have, and the beauty is 90% of it is in stock.
I'm Emily Soto. I'm a photographer here in New York City. I shoot a lot of editorial and fashion. For me, I wanted we all each had different concepts. We have very different styles. So I wanted mine to be very minimal and very clean. So I shot an amazing model friend on a white backdrop and just wanted everything to look effortless and super cool and clean. I shoot with a lot of film as well as digital. So today I was shooting on several different cameras. I had the Contax, where I was shooting medium format, the 645, as well as Instax. I was shooting a lot of instant film with that, as well as the land camera with FP100C, which is so hard to get right now. But I still love shooting with it. I was also using the Canon EOS for 35mm film and the Sony A7R4 for digital. And I was shooting for lighting, I had the Aries. I love shooting with constant light because I can bounce around from camera to camera with the film and digital.
Hi, my name is Jia Zhao. I am a fashion and beauty and fine art photographer joining Adorama for the fashion photography event today. Really excited to be here. Teaching students today was really fun. I enjoyed it a lot. It's nice to be at a workshop with multiple other instructors where people could have come here to just kind of like get a sampling of what different people do, right? And you hear about their different approaches of what they're looking for and new ways they're experiencing something on set. So I'm really happy to have been able to introduce something new to some people and to show some of my fans what I do. So hopefully everyone had fun. I did.